Hello guys, welcome to the last part of our tutorial series in data text preprocessing in Python. So we are going to deal on removing the URLs from our text. So basically URL presence maybe while you are analyzing your text might not be needed. So during the further modeling processes, so during the analysis we have to remove the URLs. So I'm going to show you on how to remove the URLs from text. So let's get started. So we are going to define a text that contains the URL because on my tweet, I don't know whether there is one we can copy. You can see one with search URL links HTTP or www. Just copy this and add some link. It doesn't have to make sense. Just let it have the link like www.google.com. Yeah, like that. That's the text we are going to remove the URL from. So now we can use let's create maybe a function to remove URL, remove underscore URL. So we pass in the text. So after passing the text, now you can define the URL pattern. The pattern you are going to use to remove the URLs. So is equals to regex for compiling the text. So we're gonna compile. That's the method. We are calling the method from the regex. Definitely you have to import regex. That means regex. So for a sentence or a word that starts with HTTPS, then it's HTTPS, then in some so like that, and some more other text. So or starts with www dot goes to some more other text like that. So if text starts with HTTPS with more other text or www with some more other text, so we are going to remove all of them from HTTP to the head of it, from www to the head of it, and that's the pattern you are going to use on removing the pattern. So let's see. So let's return now the text which you are going to substitute the text with the URL pattern. Substitute the text with an empty string. Yeah, like so. So let's see the output. So print remove URL. We are going to pass in the text. So let's run that. This is how it prints. I guess I did the regex bracket maybe wrongly because it didn't remove. So let's see. Let's see why I made some mistake here. Yeah. This the dot I had put here, that was the mistake. So let's run again and see. Like because now the ink it's okay. So let's run again. It's supposed to remove this or www.google.com. Yeah. As you can see from that, it printed well. There's no URL link in our text. Let's try HTTPS. You can add this here. HTTPS like that, and you can say like hello out. Let's see whether it will remove the whole of this. Yeah, as you can see, the full link or the URL was removed from our text, and that's how you can do removing of URLs from your text. Maybe you have any question on that or about the series, you can maybe ask or comment on the section below. So if the series was amazing, you can maybe say something on the comment section. So thank you guys.